for the construction of the temple. In the backdrop of the alleged harassment meted out to a veterinary and animal husbandry officer by a BSF personnel, the state government has decided to constitute a standing coordination committee, or rather standing coordination committees, in all civil subdivisions which share the Indo-Bangladesh border. The decision was taken at a high-level meeting attended by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, officials of the Home Department, Inspector General of BSF and other officials of the Border Guarding Force. After the meeting, Tinsong told reporters the incident of Sunday was amicably resolved. It is a closed chapter now, he added. Meanwhile, on the recent withdrawal of HNLC from peace talks, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong urged the proscribed Hindu-Trep National Liberation Council, HNLC, to come forward and resume the peace talks, which has been stalled after the HNLC walked out of the talks. He said that the door is still open for HNLC to come for talks.
Leading to that incident, which was happened somewhere in Muktapur side. Yesterday at Amlarem, the meeting was held jointly and then the issue was amicably resolved. I stand by the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister. I think the other day after the cabinet, he already said, even me also I have already requested again, resume for talk. The door is open. Still the door is open. Think it again. Please be measured. Think about the future. So therefore, my stand is very clear. We keep inviting them for talk once again.
In some good news, the landowners of the Peninsula bypass, which